Today we are going to take a look at how to create a data-driven test through a TSV or CSV file. Let's get started. I'm using Squish for Qt in version 6.4.3, the address book example application, and JavaScript as script language. I also prepared a little test script, which we will turn into a data-driven test, but first let's replay the script. A new address book will be generated, as well as an entry. We need some data to repeat this process as long as there's a new set of data. Therefore, I have this little file down here in the test data, the example data TSV file. Let's get back to the script. We need to mark that code that should be repeated, in our case from line 7 to line 14. Now we need to perform a right click and also click on Make Code Data Driven. In this dialog, we can choose our test data file, click on Next. In this dialog, we see our code before and after the change. Let's click on Finish to accept this. As we can see, a loop was generated. We're almost done. The last missing step is to use the data from the TSV file. We do this by using the generated variables instead of the previous hard-coded dataset. I added the snooze commands just for demonstration purposes. To reduce the runtime, we can get rid of them and just delete them. Let's replay the script. Our 3 entries from the data file were entered. The script runs without a problem and adds all data as expected. If I would put new data into the example data TSV file, the test would run longer. You now know how to turn your code into data-driven code. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, get in touch with us by writing an email to squish@froglogic.com. You can check out Squish on your own by requesting a free trial. You might also be interested in our second product, Coco, which is a multi-language code coverage tool. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Bye bye!